Hi, you might wonder how to handle zero division error in Python. It is simple, but you need to understand why this error is thrown in the first place. The reason is because mathematically you cannot divide any number by zero. So, to handle it, you need to create a statement that will always check when there is going to be an input in that area of dividing a value to make sure that zero is not supplied as your input. So to demonstrate that, let's create variables and assign values to the variables. So let's create variable x and assign 14 as the value, then b, and the value let's assign 2, and for c, now let's assign 0 to variable c, and for d, let's assign x divided by b, and let's demonstrate that. So let's call variable d, and you see it has performed the operation there, the division. Now let's assign variable e with value x divided by c. This time around we want to divide variable x, which is 14, by variable c, which is 0, and let's see what will happen. You see, we receive zero division error, and to avoid having this error, what we need to do is just create a function to handle that. So if c equals 0, move your tab, print whatever you want to be displayed. That's what you should put there. So I will put division by 0 not allowed, and close your parentheses, and else, meaning that if that is not the case, then you print the value of x and divided by y. Print as x and y, x divided by c rather. Okay, see, division by 0 not allowed. Now I'm going to change the value of c, and I will assign another value to c, and we see c equal three. Okay, now that we have changed the value of c, let's go back to e. If we request for e now, oh okay, name error, that's another error now, saying that e is not defined because it has thrown error there. So let me go back to C. C is 3. So we need to define E now. E equal X divided by C. So E, you can see that now that I defined E, we are able to divide X by C, which we're not able to do up when the value was 0. That is how to handle zero division error in Python. Thank you. Remember to subscribe.